Hey guys, look where we are. We're at Charlotte's. I had to talk her into it, so y'all just bear with us. Charlotte had to have surgery. You all know she's been having lots of issues with her back, but they had to do surgery and they went through her neck to do it. So her voice is a little crazy, but hey, she allowed us to do this. She said it's not as much as it usually is, but anyway, we're gonna tour it. I just love her primitive look. I love her house. So I just want you all to share it with me. If she's able to talk, she will. If not, then we'll just enjoy it ourselves. Look at the little rusty bells. Oh, how cute. And at the top, it has a little red bird. Look at that. And this is a little nativity in that. Oh, how sweet. This is our iron board Santa. That's something she normally always has. And also the little iron tree. They're so cute. Oh, new pillows. Look at there. Love those. And I love her swing too. Those are so pretty. So let's knock on the door. Oh, wait a minute. You got to see this. How stinking cute is that? Adorable. So we're going to knock on the door. Oh, she's left it open for us. Backdoor company. Hey, I was telling them your voice is a little crazy. So, yeah, so she won't be doing much talking today, but y'all know I don't have any problem talking. So, are you feeling better? Everybody's asking how you're feeling. She looks great, doesn't she? She's going to live. That's all we want. Hey, I miss my friend. So, now you said you didn't do a whole lot, but it's gorgeous. Pat sometimes comes and helps Charlotte when Charlotte's feeling a little under the weather. And we're going to do Pat's house Monday. So that works good. I love this. She just tore some ribbon and some burlap and fixed her little mock mantle. How cute that is. How cute that is. She's got her gnomes. Braxton and I have a thing about gnomes. He has a love-hate relationship with them. They scare him a little bit. So he'll take a picture and he'll send it to me and says, I'm running. But it looks so pretty. And I'm going to show you all again. I know you've seen it before, but the painting is original to the house. And it's all on the ceiling. I hope you can see. Let me see if I can zero in on that. Look at there. And that border is all the way around. I was telling them I love primitive. I don't do primitive well, but you do it better than anybody I have ever seen. Ever seen.
Martians if you do.
Oh, good. She's got that beautiful tree again, y'all. Oh, and look, it's got more redbirds this year. Oh, how gorgeous. Isn't that tree just as cute as it can be? I am so tempted to get one of those.
I like mine.
I love it. It matches the house so well. And she's got her little mugs out over here. And her newspaper Santa. How cute. Those are old. Those are really old. Look at the cute Santas. And a little snowman. She's got her couch so pretty. But I want you to try to talk just a minute and tell them you're better.
I am better. If I talk a lot, I'll start coughing real bad. So I try not to.
There you go. So that's why I'm going to do most of the talking here.
I'd love to be able to talk, but this is...
Yeah, they had to go down. They had to go through there, so it kind of got her vocal cords. But she's doing good. So cute, little old Santa. He is old one. Yes, love that on there. The mantle's always so cute. I like the plaid you went through this year. That's neat. That's so cool. That old Santa. And her sign, it just goes up. I like the way that you kept it going up because the tree goes up so high. And that's, where did you find your tree?
At
Cafco. That's at Cafco. We asked that last year. We sure did. Yeah, so the chances of us getting one is not real good. This is a candle. I remember when they had the candles a long time ago. So cute. And he's a candle too, a blue-eyed Santa. So cute. You don't see blue-eyed Santas very much. This is handmade too, by the way. See where they put the pins in? That is, oh, it's a music box. How cool. And then all of her little primitives here are so cute. Little monkeys. Oh, look at this angel. Look how cute that angel is. She's a belle. Oh, so cute. Raggedy Ann and Andy. And this stocking right here is adorable. So adorable. And her little thing. So it just is looking so good. Look at this bed. Isn't that just makes you want to cozy on up and get in that bed. It's so cozy looking. It's a set. Now, she painted all of her furniture, and I think I've told you that before. It was all dark, and one day she decided she wanted to paint it, so she came in here and started painting it, and it looks so good. And she always has the prettiest bedding. She'll change her bedding so often, and I think it's just adorable, adorable. And this year, like I said, she's a little slim, but I like it, Charlotte. I really do. And it's still got that primitive. It makes your house look so just festive on there. So, and this is a little tree that she has in her bedroom. She said this one is the one she used when she was recuperating a couple of years ago. And everybody was shocked that she didn't have a big tree. And it has some of the old ornaments on it. Aren't those sweet? This is an okra angel. Have any of you all ever made okra angels? And a little quilt angel. Oh, and look at this one. How sweet, the little honeycomb. So sweet. Red bird, she loves her a red bird. We know that. And this is a little Christmas corsage that she's made into a topper. Oh, I remember Christmas corsages. On Christmas Day, the old ladies at church would all have a Christmas corsage. I guess I'm going to have to get one too. This is darling. Love this. Yes, I love that. So let's walk back through the den. No, we won't go through the den. We'll go through the hallway. And I missed something I want you to catch. Look at this bell angel. That's a bell. And it's made into an angel. Cute that is. And one of her little humble Christmas ornaments. Those you don't find very often at all. And this room smells so good. A candle she has. Her wise men. You just gotta have a nativity. And then I don't know, there's a word for this tree. I don't know what it is. If any of you all know, put it in the comments.
I don't even know where I
Found it.
Yeah, I've had it for years and years.
I've seen them where they had the Advent on it, or the Nativity, but there's a name for it, and I'm not sure exactly which one it is. Now, this lighting is gorgeous. There's not a lot of lighting in this. She's kept this house really true to what it was, and there's not a lot of lighting, but I want you to look how much light comes in this room. They just knew how to place windows on there. So we're gonna go into her little bathtub room. Look at her little crawl foot. I love that. And these are Christmas trees that are just fabric. And she chose green. It's mostly green in here. Green is a good one this year. A little stocking. Oh, look, the long johns, love those. Got her little long johns. She got them all washed up and ready. It's cold here now. So she's getting those all ready. Has her little Santa Claus. I think you can see it from the window. So cute. So good. Now we'll go into the hallway. This is one of my favorite rooms. It's not a room, but this is one of my favorite places. Let's see if we can pick up her pottery. Tell them the name.
What?
W-A-T-T. W-A-T-T. And it's the apple. I do know that because we looked and looked and looked for it for many years. She has one of the biggest collections I've ever seen. This is only maybe a tenth of what she actually has. Maybe a tenth. It's got, I just want you to see all these pretty pieces, and there's a strawberry. She just chose the red pieces so she could have, and this little chicken is so cute. I want to put him on there. Look at him, he's so sweet. Look at him. He's ready to serve us hot cocoa. He's a deer. So cute. So cute. I just love the way the light comes in this area. It just makes everything look so good. Now, you did quite a bit, and now here's something that she did. I want you to pay attention to this because knowing Charlotte, I know that this is the dishes that are in here are basically what stays in here most of the time. So all she's done is she added a bow to her fruit bowl. She added some well, it's artificial, but it's pine and some little pine cones. And then this is a little jar with a Christmas tree in it. She didn't change this at all, but by adding that, it makes it all so festive. She put a sprig in this one yellow vase, and do you see how the green pops from the yellow? That just makes it pop out. And then one more down here in her green. And it has that holiday feel. It's got a cheerful feel, but it maintains exactly what she had in there. So you don't have to do a whole lot to decorate. That's what I like, is that you can just kind of put it around and it still just looks like Christmas. And she has this candle going, so when you walk in, you can smell cinnamon. This cute tree. How sweet. And here again, she added the tree and a little bit, just a sprig of something, and it just turned what she had into Christmas time. Same way with her eggs in her bowl, all ready to go. And then Christmas is coming. I'm going to pick this up and let you all read that. Christmas is coming. I wish it were here. It's my very favorite time of year. That's so sweet. It's a little sampler. I might get it back and I might not. That's okay. I might take that home with me. Ha ha. Here's her dough rollers. And she's changed her curtains in here from the last time we were in there. They're a plaid blue and white. Now she kept all of her feed sacks down here, but this one she changed a little bit from the last time. Okay, guys, I came back into the living room. I almost stopped it back there, but I do want a couple of things I want you to look at that I really, really want you to see. One of them is she has her peppermint candy, and she actually has her peppermint candy in it. Is that not cute? And she just tied a little ticking piece of cloth that she stripped on there. And I do want you to look at a few of her ornaments that are on the tree. I just adore them. I remember when we got these a long time ago. I have one too. But she has some of the sweetest little ornaments on here. And they're all just have that primitive look to them. But they're not all primitive. These are her boys. Look at that. Gee, that's an old one. Those kids are in college and out working and on their own now. But I did just want to pick up a few of these ornaments so you could just see how just a few ornaments can make a tree just pop on there. So let's see, let's back up a little bit. And the other thing I wanted to revisit was the cone Santas. I'm going to bring them down so we can look at them. These are just the cones that you can buy, the paper ones. And they've taken old newspaper and they made pipe cleaner arms. so that it could hold the little basket. And then the beard is old cheesecloth with twine on the top. Is that not adorable? And then just put burlap and buttons at the bottom. But I wanted to revisit those. Those would be so simple to make on there, and just let you see some more of the details in the den. We didn't get that many details coming through here, so I wanted to revisit them. But here's Santa, and we're gonna say till our next adventure.